The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Beltrami County until 7 p.m. At 6:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Shiley, or 40 miles north of Bemidji, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Redby, Blackduck, Lower Red Lake, Panama, Kelliher, Upper Red Lake, and Washkish. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. For north-central Minnesota,